What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video, and today we're looking at a trade I took on GBPNZD. Now, if you find anything in this video useful or helpful, make sure you smash that like button and also subscribe so you get notified when I post new videos. This really helps with the YouTube algorithm and spreads my videos to people who could use the kind of help that they'll get from my videos. So just make sure you do that. It's free, it costs nothing, and it really helps me and everyone else out. So with that being said, if we look into the past, you'll see that GBPNZD was in a very clear downtrend right here on the 5-minute time frame, and then you'll notice that we started hitting this level of resistance right here. So this was my first sign telling me that price structure was probably going to change, which we get right here when price comes back and retests the structure change. You can see how this was an area that price needed to break in order for it to confirm that price wanted to go up. So once that happened, you can see how I entered my trade right here on this retest, and we also notice that we have an inverted head and shoulders down here. So we have the left shoulder here, we have the head right here, and we also have the right shoulder over here. Now, if you want, you can also consider this middle formation right here, the head and shoulders, where this could be the left shoulder, this could be the head, this could be the right shoulder, and then this area right here is the neckline retest. But honestly, no matter how you look at it, it's still the same formation and everything applies exactly the same. So this was our neckline. You can see how price did come back and retest that neckline, which is also our structure break level as well. So we had our two confirmations right there. So I went ahead and entered my trade, and then my take profit, as always, as you guys know, is where the formation started, which is right here in this area. This was the first initial push that created the left shoulder. So that's why my take profit is right there. And you can see how price did smack that a few times. So this was a really simple trade, just going over all of our confirmations. We were in a downtrend, we had price structure break, we had a reversal pattern, and we had a retest of the neckline from the reversal pattern, and also a retest of the structure break. So just all the confirmations were in place. We went ahead and calculated our proper risk at 1%, and then put our take profit where the formation started, and you can see how it did hit our take profit. Super simple trade, lots of confirmations, very easy. You guys can do this. If you have any questions about anything that I talk about in these videos, please just drop a comment below and I'll be more than happy to help you out. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.